Today, I'm gonna show you how to make all gratin potatoes. It sounds fancy, but it's very easy to make. It's also so creamy and cheesy and so delicious. Let's get started. Preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Peel the potatoes and slice them. I like to use a slicer. Combine cream, butter, and garlic. Mix it well. Spread 1/3 of potatoes in a baking dish. Add salt and pepper. Grate cheese on top. I like to use gruyere cheese, but you can use mozzarella or cheddar. Repeat for the second and third layer, but do not finish with cheese on top. We will add it later. Pour over all the cream mixture. Cover with lid of foil and bake for 1 hour until the potatoes in the middle are soft. After 1 hour, remove foil, top with cheese, bake for another 10 or 15 minutes until golden and bubbly. Let it stand 5 minutes before serving. You should definitely try this recipe and you will love it forever and ever.